What would you like to have for breakfast? What would you like to have for breakfast? What is that? Would you like that? What is it? What is it? Uh-oh. What are those? Banana? What are those, Ellie? Are those bananas? Ellie, say banana. Can you say banana?
Yeah.
Can you say banana? Nana? Is that sort of Nana? Is that what you want for breakfast? Do you love those? Are you a little monkey? Don't eat that part. That's the gross part. Can you say "Ooh, ooh, 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 ha, 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 ha"? Do you love bananas? Don't eat the outside. Don't eat the outside. Are those your bananas? Don't eat the outside. No, no. No, no. That's not the good part. No, no, don't eat the outside. We're going to peel it, and you can eat the inside of the banana. Ellie, would you like a banana? Would you like a banana for breakfast?